Hello, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone had a great week. Let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, you should be able to hear me just fine, but please let me know. And yeah, let me just notify everyone on the Discord that we're live, and then I'll get back to you. Awesome. So again, hope everyone had a great weekend. Let me also notify on Twitter. If you're not on Twitter, I do recommend you guys joining. Yeah, so let me just notify. And as always, if you have questions in the meantime, feel free to drop them in the chat before we get started. And yeah, I'm just taking my time here to notify everyone on the Discord. Awesome. And interesting Friday. We're seeing quite some move in the markets. Everything seems to be green, which is interesting. So let me just say here, let me leave the link for the Discord, which I do recommend you guys join, as I did call some interesting moves on the Discord, which I'll show you. And then, as always, ask me anything to analyze. Awesome. So as I said, yeah, I did have some great moves in the. I did call some interesting moves in the Discord, and so let's open some tabs here. Let's have the, and this is one. Cryptos. Awesome. And then I'll just see what else is. The markets, again, any questions, let me know. I'm just setting everything up, notify everyone we're live, and then I'll get started. Just doing the usual roundup. But again, any questions, as always, let me know. Leave them in the comments. What else have we got here? So where do we start? So let's start with Bitcoin today. So Bitcoin, as you can see, I do have a trade on. Don't mind the take profit, just the stop loss is what I mostly care about. As long as I do see room for like a good RR, which I don't really have great RRs, but I tend to stick to decent ones. So I'll be honest, I have a main counter that I'm trading, and then I have another account that I keep as an alternate. Both are bullish. I don't really see. I mean, the bearish one would be quite bearish, and it would be something like this, which would invalidate the whole account. So for now, or else a triangle. Anyways, let's stick to my preferred count for the time being. Actually, let's just stick to the daily for just a second. So here, potential bottom, as you can see, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 1, down in 2, up in wave 1, off intermediate 3, as you can see here. Just fix a bit. So 1, 2, I see this, to be honest, as a clear through wave move. And now I'm looking for potential upside resumption. So basically my setup was quite simple, kind of a textbook setup. Potential 1 and 2, I'll have to be honest, it did react from the golden box here, which I missed the entry because I wasn't on the chart. So I'm not sure about 5 ways in here. If I have to be completely honest, I can see them, but I would kind of need to squeeze them. 3 down, that does look like a clear free wave down. Potential 1, I'm looking for 2. It would look like a sharp 2, as you can see. Nonetheless, still it would be possible. So it looks more like a 1 plus 6, 1, 8, A, B, C, something like this. It did, to be honest, it did retrace a bit more than I would usually like. Like I would have liked if it stopped around here. But as you can see, we did get some sort of support, broke through, and now we're back into it. A good thing that we did is we broke these previous highs. So if I'm correct, we better start to move higher soon. Otherwise, more than not, I'm wrong. I am risking half of what I usually risk on this position because it has a tighter stop loss than what I'm usually trade. Hello, Mr. Cole, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Let me know if you have any questions. So yeah, another alternate could be that 1, 2, 3, some sort of wave 4, 5, larger pullback, and then upside. That could also be possible. But at that point, we could have this as some sort of a low and do this, maybe a triangle or zoom higher. So I guess we'll see about that. So yeah, I remain bullish. Can I be wrong? Of course I can, but we'll need to see how it's going to develop. But what I can say, if for this particular account, 1, 2, 1, 2, you'll need to start move higher, like right now, as we're speaking. So sorry, but this will confuse me. It's I understand it. Can be confused. It was confusing to me at first too. Not gonna lie. I do recommend a book, which I'll type in the chat. Oh no. Understand it. And then obviously watch my videos. Join the Discord if you're not in the Discord. The link is here in the chat. Let me pin this. So yeah, I would recommend to join the Discord, and yeah, just feel free to share ideas in there so you can get my feedback on it. Maybe that helps, or ask me questions and ask questions in the Discord. That also should help. But yeah. And also for today, any questions, just let me know. So another setup which is playing out is the one on the DAX. Oh, sorry, on the Dow Jones, which I also have a trade in here. Moving perfectly expected. It looks like we're getting confirmation as we speak, which is ideal. As you can see, very simple setup. I've been looking. I think I shared this on the Discord. Let me double check. It's Bitcoin, DAX, Bitcoin, oil. Did I share it? Okay, yeah. So it was So as you can see on the Discord here, guys, that's May 26th. DJI, yesterday, so the Dow Jones started building longs. So for you to follow my lead, just make sure you're managing risk, obviously. Let me zoom in for you. That's what I shared. Again, textbook move, up in 1, 3 was down into wave 2, up in 1 again. I think we did break wave B, I'm not sure. I have to double check. Maybe just buy a few dollars. 3 down in A, potential triangle in B, down in C. I saw this was respected it, look for upside, and we did get upside. So that's obviously when that happens, that is ideal. And as you can see in here, we didn't manage. Oh wait, to get upside. I think that might have been a 1 hour chart. Manage upside. So at this point, the count would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think I most likely will be adding to my longs, not gonna lie, and just see what's what's gonna happen from there. Why you use moving average? So as you can see, I just deleted them. I don't really use them that much. I tend to use them on very large time frames, like weekly. Other than that, I have them there, but they don't really matter that much. Good question though. Good question. So yeah, a good thing on here on the Dow, let me zoom in, is that we managed to break this high. 1, 2, ideally I want to see this being broken, but this is fine. So we might get a pullback now. Once we get this pullback, might be looking for longs here. But definitely I think I will most likely be adding to my position. Which again, if you just join here, you can see May 26th on the Discord, which link is in the description, on the chat, sorry. May 26th, I said I started building longs, and as here you can see how I said that I was building longs, and they are open. So yeah, I didn't just join here now. It's been there. Hi there, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Thanks for taking the time. Feel free to ask me any questions or anything. Is MCH correlated to Elliott? Hi Ahmed, good to see you. I did look at Bitcoin, but I can go over it again, no worries. So it's CM, so they're all correlated in a way. I mean, it's just a different way to look at the market, at the same market, under two different lenses. It's kind of like driving a car on the right side and left side of the road. You're doing different things, but at the end of you're still driving same road, just different setups. So if it kind of makes sense. So again, any questions, let me know. Bitcoin, I basically mentioned about my trade on Bitcoin, which I did share in the Discord. If you're not in it, let me see. Did I share it? Is it this? Yes. So I did share it here when I entered. Yep. The other day, yesterday. Okay, Bitcoin in borrowed. What is borrow? How much? Bitcoin higher time frame. Bit confused. Yeah, again, what is Bohr in low time frame daily? But anyways, just I'll quickly over the setup again. Very simple. My preferred count for the time being. It's always been the same for weeks. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I saw 3 waves down. I saw this. We broke that. Retraced. I'm looking for upside. Can I be wrong? Oh, both. Okay, yeah, sure. So can I be wrong? Yes. As I said, if I'm right, we should start to get move into the upside right now. Otherwise, most likely I'm wrong. Another bullish scenario would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then larger pullback. That's also possible. Otherwise, let's say I'm completely wrong. This is 3 wave. We might get a 3 wave up and then continuation lower. I guess we'll see. On the stock market, I'm very bullish. I've been bullish for quite some time. And it's playing out, so I guess we'll find out. But so lower time frame, weekly. Let's take a look at the weekly. So, I mean, basically, that's main count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This to pair up with this. 93%. This was smaller. Yeah, 77. 86. So it kind of fits, around 8% drop, and then a pullback. And then back up. That's what usually happens. Guess we'll find out. Yeah, again, guess we'll find out. But let me know if you have any other particular question for it. And then again, obviously the lower time frame, I just went over it. Ethereum, similar. You might move your circle wave 3. So let's see. You might move your circle wave 3. So primary wave 3. You're saying you might move it at 69. So would be this stuff. The problem would be, let's go 5 there. Yeah, 69. So you mean this to go here. The problem would be that if this goes here, then I would only see 3 waves. And wave 3 must have it's true. Why did the Discord link? So let me just drop the link again. Here's the link. Again, BNP. That's that would be the problem. There would be if you keep 2 here, only 3 waves. And obviously in wave 3 you can't have 3 waves. So linear, it's obvious 5 waves. Don't look at linear though. I wouldn't look. I would use log scale, not exponential. Also, to be honest, kind of on this perspective, it looks more like a 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, it does look, this does look like 5, but then when you do go lower on the time frames and you start investigating, so if this is 5 from here to here, this must be wave 1. Then I challenge you to find me 5, so wave 1 also you must have 5 waves. Find me 5 waves, a nice 5-wave move. Because I think it's like easier to identify, down, up, down, 3. I don't honestly see 5. But looking at which looks like 3rd wave. So BNP, you're saying there's 5 and 69. I don't think so. So let's see if I can just. So let me just. Okay, so you're saying, again. So you're saying 1, 2. One, 2, 3. That's what you're saying, right? Let me know. The biggest move is the 60K, 63K. What do you mean by take a linear? But why would you do a linear though? Like it doesn't reflect. Like it doesn't reflect. So when it comes to prices, you don't need to look at the number. You need to look at net percentage. And obviously that also applies to the Elliott Wave Theory. So this is exponential, not linear. It's exponential. You're just not looking at price change in terms of percentage. As you can see here, this, which looks bigger, is a 130% move. This here, that looks smaller, is almost triple that. So that's what deceiving. That's why you should never look at exponential scale. Hope it makes sense. Primary 1, fall 20s. You mean this? Okay, and then, but what about this wave 1? Again, 3 waves, I see. $3K pullback is wave 2. $20, $30K. $20K top is wave. 20K top is wave 1. The 3K pullback is wave 2. It's wave 3. Top is wave 3, and then but you have, if you put wave 1 here though, you have wave counting validation. Oh no, sorry. Human. So 3K pullback is wave 2, 63K here, 3, top is wave 3, and 30K is wave 4. Nah. This way you have 3 waves here in wave 3, right? This way you have 3 waves in wave 3, and that cannot be possible. Addition to that, wave 2 significantly larger, both time and magnitude, than the wave 4 of corresponding degree, and that does not look right. That's why I don't think that's it. No, I mean, not only that, but it would also break a rule, because here you have 3 waves. We need not 3 waves. It's the same point I said earlier. It's, do not look at exponential scale. Don't do it. Yeah, just don't do it. I mean, do whatever you want, but I wouldn't do it. I mean, I think, wasn't you, Hamid, that a few times back? So actually, let me just delete this first. Yeah, I mean, as I said, do whatever you want, but I wouldn't do that, and I explain why. But I think, wasn't you a few weeks, maybe a month ago, that here, I think we're around here, and you said Bitcoin's dead, it's going down, and I was the bullish one. I said no, it's going to go up. Yeah, exactly, BNP. Just an idea. I did mention why I don't think it's correct. I gave you my reasons. Obviously, everyone must do whatever they want, but I did give you my reasons on why I do not think it's correct. What else? So yeah, that kind of sums up Bitcoin. So also, if you say this is wave 5, okay, so I guess you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30% to 3. I mean, here you have, if this is 4, you have a 30% retracement against a 70-ish one. Yeah, also Mr. Cool. Good point. Yeah, you guys always feel free to share your charts on the Discord if you don't mind. It's nice if we create a community where you can, discuss about these things on a daily basis, confront each other, and say, oh, maybe did you see Apple, like, it's doing this? Take a look at it. So yeah, Mr. Cool, good idea. Nicely played. So so you're kind of at the upside move from 15K as 1, 2. Yes, I've been pretty. Yeah, as I said, so far it's been playing out 1, 2, 1, 2. The alternate is 1, 2, 3, some sort of 4 in the making, upside, 5, larger pullback, and then upside. And at that point, if we have 5 up, 3 down, 5 up, and then eventually you can even resume lower, 5, 3, 5. But I'm being extension trace from Adia in your empty time. You will see the numbers are amazing. Yeah, I mean, not saying that it's not, but let's take a look at this though. That shadow equality. But I mean, here though, I think you agree with me. The move down from this 31K top looks like a 3-wave move. So hard for it to be trend establishing to the downside. Plus, we kind of are in a pretty good environment for bullish scenarios, as everyone has been bearish. That's interesting. You don't agree this is 3? You don't agree that it's 3? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. So some sort of 1. I don't know. 1, 2 here. 2 here. 1, 2. Something like this. See now I see who I'm trading against. Who's against my long. Nice. I don't know, it just so I might be biased, but if you're kind of like this, 1, 2, and 2 like this, then what I wouldn't like is that so obviously this must be 1 lower degree than this one. Just label it like this. So this would have taken longer than this one, and for a wave 2 on 1 lesser degree to take longer than the higher degree, it's not really ideal. I hope you agree with me on that. Which is why I said that here for 1, 2, 1, 2, I want this to move soon to the upside. I did say that if we don't move soon to the upside, then most likely this kind of is incorrect. So yeah, as you said, that's not really ideal, which is why on my count as well, I want this to move higher soon. Otherwise, yes, you could argue this move down here is quite deep for being on 1 extra degree, and I do agree with you. I wouldn't have liked to have it such a deep correction. However, so far, which is why I said I want to move quickly to the upside, otherwise the whole count is compromised. But so far, it's been quicker in terms of time than this. So that's the only reason why I'm sticking to this count. And as I said, the alternate, my bullish alternate is some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess we'll see about that. But yeah, quite some time we're spending on Bitcoin, aren't we? Did you look at my Dow Jones trade? Ahmed and all of you guys playing out so far. I did share it on the Discord. Oh, Mr. Cool, no worries. I mean, as I said, I do appreciate you guys taking the time to join my sessions. So hope you join the Discord, and I hope to see you there, asking questions, sharing ideas, and so on. So yeah, thanks for being here, and yeah, I do hope you join the Discord. But yeah, this I did share on the Discord. But now I'm interested. Ahmed, are you bullish or bearish on the market, on the stock market? Because I've been crazy bullish, even here on the Nasdaq. I've been crazy. Oh, you're very welcome. Thanks for joining. Again, I hope to, Ahmed. Haven't seen you in the Discord. Hope to see you there sooner than later. So we can talk more often. Bearish, not surprised. But yeah, I've been bullish for quite some time. So far so good. So I guess we'll find out. You know it. You know what? I hope you agree with me. So as you can see here, I'm looking at a 1 1 2 1 2. So I'm expecting we are in a third of a third. So obviously crazy bullish, strong upside. And I hope you agree with me. So third obviously meant B, C, 1 2 3 4 5, and then downside. That would be my bearish count. I've been bullish 2 weeks ago and then I was like, interesting. So you're not bullish now that it's going up. But yeah, so as I said, that's that'll be my only bearish view. So I guess we'll find out. Compulsory side. Yeah, as I said. 3 down, 3 up, either 3 or 5 down. We'll find out. Yeah. What else? What else? Have we looked at? I also do have so basically my open positions right now are here. Bitcoin, Dow Jones, Costco. Looking for a potential triangle. I enter a bit later than expected. For the stocks to move down. So I guess we'll see. To be honest, I do see some Nasdaq components, such as Microsoft, Facebook, and I'm a bit bearish on them. So I'm interested to see how it's gonna play out. The leading ones. So Apple, I'm bullish on it. Looks like a solid bullish count. But some others, like stocks, I'm not that bullish to be honest. But I like Amazon, I'm really bullish on. So here I was looking for downside. I do have a very large stop. So I guess we'll see. Because I was looking for some sort of move down here. Dollar yen. Some sort of pullback and then for the downside. A look at Young ACHR. ACHR. Archer. Is it this one? It is Young. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit too young maybe. 0, 5, 3, 4, 5. Maybe. But yeah, it's too young. Volume suggests to wait 3. I don't know. I would, it's too young, as you said. I wouldn't count too much on it. What we can do is we can look at some, how's Apple doing? Apple, nicely moving to the outside. so I'm going to the upside here. Amazon, I've been a bit, I'm not too bullish. I do have long-term position in Amazon, not trading position, just investing position, but not very. Tesla, what a move. I did miss the move of the golden box, which I do regret, and I did call in the Discord a long time ago. Let me show you guys. Let me find it. Well, actually, TSLA. Just give me a minute. March, April. Oh, there you go. So, long time ago. There once a. So, once upon a time, April 25th. I mean, just April 25th here, as you can see. 3 down, 3 up, and I was looking for downside. And obviously, off the box, the golden box, I do expect upside, which we did get. I missed the move here, but no rush. Opportunity always presents themselves, so we almost broke through this top here, and I would like to see a three-wave pullback to then position myself long at that point. So I guess we'll find out. Still for extreme upside, you remain bearish, I would suppose, around here. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I mean, I would expect a pullback soon, but I think that if the pullback does come, and I hope it's this one, I will have to see. I will be on the long side. So if you're going short, who's taking your counterpart? Definitely gonna be me. But yeah. Well, Broadcom, interesting chart. Not gonna lie. Lulu, wow. Yeah, there are some interesting moves on the market. Lunia, CrowdStrike, Adi also. Analog devices. That's one I have my eyes on for upside. We'll have to see. Let's not overthink things. We'll see. We'll find out. Anything else, guys? You want to take a look at, or any questions you might have? Just let me know. So I wonder, it's a weak dollar, isn't it? Not really. Oh, oil is something I've been tracking down on the Discord. As you can see here. There's oil. Oh, where is oil? This one. ABC. We did break the golden box, but we are getting upside now, so I guess we'll find out. Gold is going down. Yeah, looking for a downside here in gold. What else? Anything else, guys? Any other questions? Anything you want to take a look at? What else? So yeah, strong dollar. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. DAX, German index, I am bullish on it. I did mention on the Discord this 3-wave move to the downside, and it was looking interesting, so I guess now we can just keep an eye on it and see how it can still double correct. So let's see how it's gonna play out. Let's not get overconfident. Let's just see how it plays out. Any question, guys? Anything you want me to take a look at? But yeah. Any question, guys? Anything else? The S&P. Okay, as expected. How's the Russell? I haven't looked at the Russell in a long time. Yeah, I don't really like it. All right. So I think it looks like we're gonna call it a day, guys. As always, thank you all for joining. It's always very much appreciated. Yeah, I do appreciate you guys taking the time to join. Again, I do recommend joining the Discord. I'll pin the message with the Discord link. So you guys join. You can ask me questions there, ask me for ideas, see my ideas, ask me any questions, and just have a good time and trade safely. Feel free also to just follow me on my trading view if you guys want. I also post there, but also I do recommend the Discord, as it's just easier for I post on the Discord more often than when I post on the what's it called, on TradingView. But I'll leave you just in case the link for the TradingView as well. And if you guys want to follow me there, What else? Again, I guess that's gonna be it then. It was good to see you. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you. Oh, Eric. Last one. Just because it's you. How you doing, my man? Thank you, coin. You think you're looking for a bottom? Man, why are you looking for a bottom here? You're gonna get me in trouble. That's a hard one. That is a hard one. Sorry, just gonna. Also, I feel like I should do a. If you guys don't mind, whoever's live, what time and day, would be better for you to join, and also when you tell the time, also say what time zone. Don't just say 1 p.m. because it might be 1 p.m. for you, it might be 3 a.m. for me. Anyways, looking for a bottom. I don't know, man. I wouldn't look for a bottom here. Why would you look for a bottom? So when there's situations like this where you have not much data, you don't have much data, and in addition to that, it looks like shit. Excuse my French. Hope I won't get banned. I want to see at least RSI divergence on a large time frame, so at least a weekly. There's no divergence at all. We just keep making lower lows on price as well as on the RSI. We do have some sort of small divergence in here, but it's really small. So I wouldn't buy this, to be honest. Do whatever you want, obviously, but I mean, I would have personally. I'm not biased, but I am. I would have bought. Would have jumped in on the Dow when I did, and the other day, which again, I did share on the Discord. It's right here, May 25th. Sorry, May 26th. I said I was going long. That's, just because, you have much more evidence, so you can be safer when you trade something like this. For this, man, it's kind of, to be honest, I think it's kind of a gamble on cracking his full history. Big pump yesterday. Yeah, I mean, but what is a big pump compared to like this? Don't know, man. Doesn't seem like a smart move. I mean, not saying you're not smart, but this is like a safe move. Excuse me. That's a better word. But overall, I can see further downside here. Like, this is 3 up. 3 up. Yes, you might get this, but overall, it's just gonna go down. Just be careful, man. Anything else, guys? So, Eric, just to round up, we went over Bitcoin, the Nasdaq. Just briefly, the Nasdaq. We talked like half an hour about the half an hour about Bitcoin, then a bit of a Nasdaq, some the Dow. Yeah, mainly Bitcoin, to be honest. Talk like 20 plus minutes about Bitcoin. Yeah, no worries. Just lots of Bitcoin, bit of Nasdaq and Dow, and then yeah, not much more actually. Just a lot of Bitcoin. Yeah, just post on the Discord. Good move. And yeah, always let me know in the Discord. I mean, if you always post on the Discord, say, hey Barrett, what do you think about this? I always answer. So feel free to do that. And all of you guys, free to join the Discord. What else? All right. Have a good weekend then. Again, thank you all for joining. It's been I do appreciate you guys taking the time. Subscribe if you're not. Leave a like. Join the Discord. Meet me there. Post ideas. Ask me questions. Link is in the chat. It's pinned. And so you guys have a great weekend. I will see you next week, next Friday, same time, same day, same channel. And be safe, trade safe, and enjoy your weekend, guys.